Hello students, today I am teaching a solid cylinder rolling down on the inclined plane at angle theta, in which a solid cylinder has mass m and rolling about the axis point O, and the condition of without slipping is the point of contact between this cylinder surface and this inclined surface is P is momentarily at rest, and due to this friction force, the direction of friction is dependent on this cylinder is slipped toward the downward side, so friction will be opposite of motion, so that's why this friction force is this side. Now again we calculate the force during the motion or rolling the cylinder on inclined plane is the weight of this cylinder is downward vertically and the normal direction between the surface of cylinder and the inclined plane is this side. Okay, so we find the normal direction. So we divide the component of weight force along this side. If this angle is theta, which is the inclined plane, and this angle is also theta by the geometrical method, so the component of mg along this side will be mg cos theta, and the perpendicular component along this side is also mg sin theta. So now we have two equations, that one of them n equals to mg cos theta, and the second one, due to the free body diagram, the object is moving toward downside, so this force mg sin theta is greater than friction force, so mg sin theta minus friction force F equals to ma, where a is the acceleration, linear acceleration of this solid cylinder. So equation number 1, equation number 2. Now again, in the motion of cylinder, this point is center of mass. So center of mass have linear motion, which is parallel to the surface of this inclined plane. And again, due to frictional force, the cylinder will rotate about the center of mass and also produce a torque. So this torque formula tau equals to this friction force F and arms, this arm R into R. Equation number 3. And also from the second law of Newton, F equals to ma, this torque is also equals to moment of inertia of this cylinder about O axis into angular acceleration due to rotation of solid cylinder. Now equation number 4. But we know linear acceleration A equals to R alpha. So put the value in this equation, torque equals to I into R alpha. Put the value of alpha. So torque equals to I into A upon R. Equation number 5. So equation third and equation fifth. Fr equal to I A upon R, and the value of friction F equal to I A upon R square. Equation number 6. Now put the value of F in equation second. Please note down. Now again put sixth equation in equation 2. So mg sin theta minus IA upon R square equals to MA. Right? So taking the common A, so this value IA upon R square plus MA equal to mg sin theta. Taking common A both sides, so I upon R square plus MA equal to mg sin theta. Now moment of inertia of cylinder half mr square, right? So put this value in equation A half mr square upon R square plus MA equal to mg sin theta. By taking common m both sides, we cancel out m. So finally we get the equation, and R square is also cancel out. So we get 1 by 2 plus A equal to G sin theta. Now write down the equation. एक मिस्टेक है इसमें, हमें यहाँ पर I A, अच्छा A कॉमन लिया गया था तो हमें A यहाँ से हटाना है. So equation half plus 1 G sin theta. Please note down. Now solving again the sum of these values. So A 3 by 2 equals to G sin theta. Okay, please note down. Or linear acceleration of the cylinder, acceleration of the cylinder is A equals to 2 by 3 G sin theta. This is the final answer of solid cylinder, which is acceleration. Now similarly we can find the friction between these two surfaces. Put the value A in equation 2. So in equation 2 mg sin theta minus F equals to MA, so 2 by 3 G sin theta, right? This value taken left side and F taken right side. So mg sin theta minus 2 by 3 mg sin theta equal to friction force. So take a common mg sin theta 1 minus 2 by 3 equals to f. So f equals to 1 minus 2 by 3 is 1 by 3 mg sin theta. This is the frictional force between the surface of cylinder and the surface of inclined plane. Please note down. And now again, find the friction of coefficient. Find friction of coefficient between surface of cylinder and inclined plane. Okay. So now friction force F equals to friction coefficient mu into normal reaction force. So mu equals to F upon M. So F is given by 1 by 3 mg sin theta and normal force M equals to mg cos theta. So mg cancel out. So mu equals to 1 by 3 tan theta is coefficient of friction. So please note down for the numerical purpose.